Taking out a mortgage as a first-time buyer in the UK has always been a major accomplishment, but it generally comes hand in hand with its negatives. One of the most basic factors that lenders will consider before approving your mortgage is your credit score. Your credit record in 2025 will be more crucial than ever before as lenders continue to tighten their belts and become increasingly risk-aware. This guide will show you how to improve your credit score for a mortgage in the UK in 2025. By following these steps, you'll be in a better place to satisfy lenders' requirements and have a better chance of securing your desired property. Why your credit score matters for a mortgage. When your mortgage is being considered by lenders, the first thing they do is look at your credit score. Your credit score lets them know how responsible you have been with credit in the past and how likely you will be to repay your loan in the future. What's considered a good credit score for a mortgage? Experian considers a score of 670 and above as good. Equifax also sees 670 and above as good. For a first-time buyer, the mortgage credit score attempts to exceed these benchmarks to increase the chances of approval. A higher credit score can also make you eligible for lower interest rates, saving you money over the long run. Step 1. Check your credit report regularly. The initial step to becoming creditworthy is knowing where you are now. It is advisable to check your credit report at no cost from agencies like Experian, offers a free score and report monthly. Equifax, access through services like ClearScore. TransUnion, via Credit Karma. These reports highlight your financial history, listing open accounts, repayment history, and missed payments. Look for any areas that need improvement. Tools for free credit checks. Official resources like Money Helper or Gov UK, useful for understanding regulations, will link to free reputable services. Stay informed and review your scores quarterly. Step 2. Correct errors and discrepancies. Errors on credit reports are more common than you might think. Even small mistakes can lower your credit score and derail a mortgage application. What to look for? Accounts you don't recognize, incorrect balances or repayment histories, outdated personal information, address, name. To fix these, contact Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion directly. Correcting errors promptly underlines your responsibility to lenders and reinforces confidence. Guide to fixing errors. Submit disputes online via the agency's website. Attach any documentation supporting your claim. Follow up to ensure corrections are made. This simple step can go a long way in correcting errors on your credit report in the UK. Step 3. Register on the electoral roll. Did you know that being on the electoral roll improves your credit score significantly? Lenders use it to verify your identity and address stability. How to register? Visit the Register to Vote section on Gov UK. Fill in your details. It takes just 5 minutes. Registration is completely free. For those living in the UK, ensuring you are registered on the electoral roll is a low-effort way to build trust with lenders. Step 4. Manage existing debt responsibly. Lenders will closely scrutinize how well you've managed existing debt. Keeping balances low and avoiding late payments is essential when you're planning to reduce debt to improve your credit score in the UK. Key strategies. Make more than the minimum repayments where possible. Set automated payments to avoid missing deadlines. Reduce credit utilization. Aim for under 30%. Managing debt effectively shows lenders that you have control over your financial obligations. Step 5. Build credit wisely. If you're starting with a low credit score or limited credit history, building credit the right way is vital. Consider using Credit Builder credit cards in the UK, designed specifically for individuals looking to establish or repair their credit. Tips for building credit. Use a credit card for small, manageable expenses, e.g. there's groceries. Always pay the full balance on time. Avoid maxing out your credit limit. One of the best ways to build your credit score in 2025 is consistency. Each timely payment gets you closer to a healthier score. Additional tips to boost credit. Health beyond the essentials. Following these additional practices can make a significant difference to your credit profile. Keep old accounts open. Closing older accounts shortens your credit history, which can negatively impact your score. Avoid new credit applications. Multiple hard inquiries can lower your score temporarily. Apply only when necessary. G. Monitor joint accounts. If you share credit with someone, their financial behavior affects you. Understanding how to increase your credit rating in the UK takes patience, but these small adjustments add up over time. What credit score do you need in 2025? While credit requirements vary by lender, as a general rule, a score of 700 plus on Experian and Equifax will likely secure approval for a higher loan amount with favorable terms. And if it's below these, use a cosigner or a low LTV mortgage. The lenders are going to tighten the standards further next year due to economic uncertainty in the world's markets. The knowledge about credit scores for mortgages in the UK in 2025 will help you prepare. Start building your credit today. Improving your credit score doesn't happen overnight, but starting today puts you on the right path toward home ownership. Remember, focus on small, consistent changes. Check your credit report regularly and take advantage of resources like credit builder cards and financial tools. If you are intimidated by the mortgage process, we recommend that you seek the services of a mortgage broker or financial planner for personal advice. Build your financial prosperity today and bring home ownership in 2025 within reach.